Hey everyone, check out the Fossil Men's Derrick Leather Bifold Sliding 2-in-1 Wallet, a sleek and functional accessory designed for everyday use. Crafted from 100% genuine leather with a durable REPREVE recycled polyester lining, this wallet combines style with sustainability. It features a slim design measuring 4.3 by 3.5 inches, perfect for fitting comfortably in your pocket. The wallet includes a removable card case, offering versatility and extra storage for your essentials. With one front slide pocket, two interior slide pockets, 8 credit card slots, and a bill compartment, staying organized has never been easier. Whether you're carrying cash, cards, or your ID, this wallet keeps everything secure and accessible. Experience the perfect blend of classic craftsmanship and modern convenience with the Fossil Derrick wallet. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.